All right, every day on Get Up DC, we're asking, where's the money? Because let's be real, life is getting more expensive. And this morning, amid economic uncertainty, many Americans are keeping a close eye on their investments and their bank accounts. But are you getting the big bang, the most bang for your buck at the bank? As America's economy faces growing uncertainty, are your banks doing all they can for you?
It's important to shop around periodically. I don't think enough people are doing that. Only about 1 in 4 have switched accounts in the last 5 years.
According to Bankrate, Americans surveyed have held on to the same checking account for an average of 19 years and the same savings account for an average of 17. Convenience is the reason many give for staying.
There actually is such a thing as too much loyalty because this account may not suit you anymore.
So how do you approach your accounts? Bankrate's Ted Rossman says for your checking, because that's usually your daily transaction account for your paycheck and bills, bigger brick and mortar banks such as Chase, Bank of America, Citi, Wells Fargo are often great because of little to no fees, easy ATM and bank branch access, and quality customer service. But for your savings, shop around, in particular among smaller institutions, credit unions, community and online banks such as Brio Direct, Rising Bank, and others, where you'll often find better rates for a high-yield savings account.
Checking accounts usually yield next to nothing. Savings accounts, on the other hand, some of the good ones are upwards of 4%.
Over time, that adds up.
Think of it this way, for every $10,000 you save, it's about $450 a year in interest if you're getting about 4.5%.
And when shopping around for a high-yield savings account, Rossman says, like everything, like anything you do, you should do your due diligence and make sure that those banks are FDIC or NCUA insured.